Malls in the Philippines are one of the major drivers when you want to buy a residential community or maybe any other property investment here in the Philippines, and you are the type of investor that you want to have a good return of investment, good market value appreciation in the future. That is why here in Santa Rosa City, Laguna, most particularly here in Greenfield, Nuvali, where dominating yung mga nakikita nating ongoing construction here in Santa Rosa. We have SM Mall, we have Soledad of Ayala, just like Greenbelt, and also we have Vista Malls of Villar. So for this video, we will discuss the top and the biggest malls happening only here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Of course, first on our list is the SM Neo Verde, not SM Yulo Premier. Yes, you heard it right. The official name of the biggest mall in Santa Rosa right now, the second major mall and the fifth in Laguna, is SM Neo Verde. So it is a premier mall just like SM Aura and SM Lanang Premier that will cater the affluent market of Greenfield, Nuvali, Santa Rosa, Laguna. So we are showing you the render of the output or if the project will be completed. So it's very podium, it's very luxe, it's like really a high-end of SM Premier Malls, of course only by SM. So it is a 5-hectare development with 1 hectare air-conditioned indoor garden. And there is a rumor that we will be having a BPO tower next to SM Neo Verde. And baka magkaroon din ng premier condominium or residential community by SMDC next to SM Neo Verde. So ano yung nakikita ko dito? It feels like they are planning or this is going to be the next Mall of Asia. Nakatabi mo yung IKEA, katabi mo yung ibang mga major centers na talagang walkable lang lahat. So, this is one of the most anticipated malls here in the area. And of course, 2026 nila plano buksan to. So, mabilis na lang ang panahon, 2025 na lang ngayon. And bakit ko to sinasabi? Kasi lagi naman, no, kapag may SM malls, nandiyan ang foot traffic. And kapag malapit ka sa SM, huwag ka nang magtaka sa i-invest or in-investment property kung bakit on-demand siya and bakit mabilis yung market value appreciation niya. Next one is the extension of Soledad Malls inside Nuvali of Ayala. So we already have Soledad 1, wherein nandyan yung pinakasikat no, na koi fishing area, man-made lake na pwedeng mag-boat ang family, very recreational. And the second one is the Soledad 2 and Soledad 3. Now, itong Soledad 4 or the ongoing construction na may bridge na for me parang Greenbelt talaga yung ginagawa nilang style, no? It should be built noong 2020 pa. Pero dahil nagkaroon ng pandemic, pinospone muna nila and nag-giveaway sila sa landers. So right now, they are fulfilling and they are true to their promise na itatayo nila at patuloy yung expansion when it comes to commercial development in Nuvali. So ngayon, bukod sa 800 square meter na atrium sa Soledad 3 na nagiging activity center, right now, magtatayo pa rin sila ng Soledad 4 at ongoing construction. As you can see on our video, ang laki ng expansion, ang ganda ng bridge, so I can really feel a Greenbelt style of this mall extension. And of course, the Singapore-style mall, which is the Vista Mall Santa Rosa. Sobrang sikat yung Sky Garden atrium nila, which is inspired by the Singapore Hanging Garden. So as you can see on our video, matagal na pong naka-open itong Vista Mall, and ang laki din niya. Nag-house sila ng different apparel, lifestyle shops, and coffee shops and food only produced by Villar Group of Companies. And of course, bakit ko ito dinidiscuss, yung mga malls na to? Kasi if you are planning to invest here, or kapag nakapag-invest ka na dito sa area, magkakatabi lang po sila. If you invested in Greenfield City, hindi porkit dun ka nakapag-invest is dun ka lang, for example, sa Paseo de Santa Rosa, which is the oldest outlet mall na 1990s pa ongoing yung operations at ngayon talagang yung feels niya is parang mga outlets in the US nung nakapag-visit ako. May expansion pa ng different brands such as Adidas, Skechers, and maraming mga food restaurants. So, hindi porkit, for example, nakapag-invest ka kay Zadia, hindi mo na pwedeng puntahan yung Soledad Mall, kunwari, ni Ayala, inside Nuvali, tabi-tabi lang po sila. Kaya sobrang unique talaga nitong Santa Rosa or Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna kasi within reach mo lahat. That is why kung merong development dito sa kabila, dahil parang may invisible perimeter wall from each other nga lang sila pero magkakalapit lang talaga sila, nadadamay, nahahatak no, yung market value ng mga properties kahit nasa kabila siya. No? Katulad na lang ng Museum for Architecture and Residences. This is the very first architectural landmark, I think, no, or I believe, here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Ang ganda ng style niya. Talagang record-breaking for me, no, na parang, uy, may ganito na tayo. But, dahil malapit siya kay Zadia at kahit hindi nasa highest segment si Zadia, I believe na madadama yung market value niya. Principle of contribution. Kapag nagtayo, no, ng maganda sa isang area, talagang madadama yung mga neighboring area. Kaya nitong Mauno wireless microphone ng ganito kalayo, ng ganito kalayo, ng ganito kalayo, at ng ganito kalayo. Talagang kahit sobrang layo, naaabot at napakalinaw ng boses because we are using the latest product of Mauno, which is their wireless microphone. At yung video na napapanood nyo ngayon, nakakonect po siya with my iPhone through a USB Type-C connection. Nakita nyo kanina kung gaano kalinaw, yan yung ma-offer ng Mauno sa inyo. With this wireless connection, napapadali talaga yung mga vlogs ko, lalo na sa mga short form or long form. Kung wala kayong professional camera, don't worry. If you have a USB Type-C or any type of connection dahil may iba silang connections na magiging compatible sa mga phone mo, Mauno will help you. So if you are interested at ma-experience yung convenience, quality na na-experience ko ngayon with Mauno wireless microphone, you can directly order on their Shopee site and sila nang bahala para mas mapadali yung content creation mo at yung pag-Facebook or social media live mo. And aside from the big malls or developments ng mga malls dito sa area, marami pang dadating here. And we don't know, Rockwell is already here, different big developers are already here, and they are known to be very good, not just in developing the residential community, but creating a township project, creating a city. So I hope mas nakapag-impart ako sa maikling video na to kung paano nga ba namin mapoposition, Jaire, na lumiliit yung risk namin at lumalaki yung chance na maganda talaga yung area ng pag-iinvesta namin. Alam ko na pinaghirapan nyo yung mga pera, dugot pawis natin yan kapag nagtatrabaho tayo. And kahit na higher, no? To be honest, higher talaga ang pag-invest ng property sa mga estate township project, just like BGC dito sa Nuvali na talagang nag-go with the flow tayo ngayon. But ang mahalaga, we are sure na mapapangalagaan yung outside ng residential community natin dahil hindi lang nila ginagawa yung pinaka-neighborhood or pinaka-subdivision, but kami na din yung bahala na magbigay sa inyo ng hospital, i-maintain at maging safe and secure 24 hours yung neighborhood outside your residential area. This is me again, Jaire Mamaclay, always imparting you knowledge about real estate here in the Philippines and how you will position your property in a smart way. Always guiding you, not just here in Santa Rosa, but in the whole country. I am still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section, giving value through real estate. See you on my next vlog. Jaire Mamaclay, your property geek.